This is how you remove the mainspring from a barrel if you haven't got a spring winder. You're going to need a screwdriver to remove the cap from the barrel, clock keys, and needle nose pliers. First thing we do, using a clock key, wind it backwards on the arbor to break the contact with the spring inside. Now, using your modified screwdriver, you'll notice the end there has been shaped down with a file. We slide it into the hole on the cap there and very gently lift it up and it'll pop out. Remove the cap, put it aside, take out the winding arbor. That's what we got. There's the spring. We're going to use our round nose pliers and put them on the tip of the spring and then slowly pull it out until the edge of the spring there is sitting on the spring there. You don't do that and just pull it straight out, because if you do that, when you set the spring down flat, it will pyramid, what's called pyramiding, and it'll destroy the integrity of the spring and it'll sort of come up in the middle like so. Okay, so we'll slide the pliers into the end of the spring, in behind it. Like so. Then turn it in the direction of winding the spring. I've got gloves on to make it easier, and then slowly pull the spring out. Once it's out a bit, hold it with your fingers and then continue to pull the spring out until you can unwind it and catch it like so. Then we'll put our other glove on and very carefully unwind the spring. Don't pull it out, unscrew it. There it goes. That's how easy it is to do. Then push it back against the lug in the barrel. There it is. Oop, get that down there. There it is, and that's how easy it is to remove. Once you remove the spring, you would clean it in the normal way with some kerosene, the scouring pad, rubbing it the full length, cleaning it, and then wipe the kero off with a clean cloth, and then apply grease all around inside the spring. Then, having done that, we'll then put the spring back into the barrel.